Adverb. An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. An adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It tells us how, where, when, how much, and with what frequency an action happens. Let's discuss how an action can be happen. Happily, sadly, hardly, slowly, carefully, sweetly, madly, gladly, loudly, quickly. Where an action can be happen, so it may be outside, inside, here, in front, everywhere, nearby, somewhere, behind, upstairs, there, awake. So we have discussed how an action can be happen, where an action can be happen. The next is when an action can be happen. Now, then, for, after, today, late, soon, since, yesterday, rarely, tonight, already. I hope you have remembered that person, place, animal, and things are a noun. An adjective that describes a noun. Happy child. In this compound, child is a noun and the word that is describing the child is adjective. Busy road. Road is noun and the word busy that is describing the condition of road is adjective. Round ball. Ball is noun and the word round that describes the shape of ball is adjective. So have you noticed something? That there is a connection between noun and adjective. In the same way, there is a connection between an adverb and a verb. Let's see how. Adverb, verb. Type expertly. In this compound, type is a verb and the word expertly that is describing how an action is happening is adverb. Smile sweetly. Smile is verb and the word that describes how an action happening is adverb. Speak politely. Speak is a verb and the word politely that describes how a person is speaking is adverb. The adverb how tells us how an action happens. He is singing loudly. The accident took place badly. She is dancing cheerfully. The adverb where tells us where an action happens. They are going towards the hill station. Mickey is going downstairs. Students are learning inside the class. The adverb when tells us when an action happens. It is raining now. The plane is going to depart soon. The boy often goes for morning walk. Examples in the sentences. She speaks loudly. The word loudly describes how does she speak. I slipped accidentally. The word accidentally tells how did I slip. The clock ticks steadily. The word steadily tells how the clock ticks. I'm meeting my friends today. The word today is telling when I'm going to meet my friends. I have never been to Africa. The word never tells when I have been to Africa. I recently received the invitation. The word recently tells when I have received the invitation. Sam parked the car outside the market. The word outside tells where the car has been parked. The flowers are blooming everywhere in the garden. The word everywhere describes where the flowers are blooming. Harry lost his keys somewhere. The word somewhere tells where the keys are lost. It's time for activity. Underline the words and circle the adverb in the given sentences. Number 1 is shopkeeper greatly increased the prices of fruits. Gardener is going towards the backyard. Lisa cleaned the room well. Cat swiftly chased a rat. Kelly rushed into the bus hurriedly. James carefully completed his assignment yesterday. So students, it's your task to find the verb and adverb, and don't forget to write in the comment section. If you like and learn from my YouTube videos, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.